Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If your shower is kind of like mine, all walls and nowhere to set your things on, well, let me show you your next purchase. Okay, I'm not even lying when I say this little shower stool by Rohkex has truly made my showering experience 100 times better. I love that I finally have a place to set all my shower supplies on instead of just setting them on the floor like I used to. So this has definitely helped my shower to look so much cleaner and more organized. And not only that, I love that I finally have a place to prop my leg on while shaving. Instead of sitting on the floor or trying to use the wall to hold my leg up, you guys, this stool has made shaving my legs so much easier. Another thing I really appreciate is it has these adjustable feet on the bottom because as you can see, our bathroom floor is pebbled, so these stones make the floor really uneven. So I'm really happy that I'm able to adjust the legs on this stool so that way it doesn't wobble. And I've been very impressed with how sturdy it's built. It feels super solid. And it was such a breeze to put it together. It literally took me about 5 to 7 minutes. And I absolutely just love this beautiful neutral brown color with this real wood-like texture to it. Not only does it fit perfectly in my shower, it even looked beautiful with some bathroom decor in the corner. And because it's waterproof, you can even use it outdoors to set your plants on. This shower stool has been so helpful in our house and I have been super happy with it. And that's my point of view.